Hello, good people. How are you? Today we are going to look at transformation. So there are 6 steps of transformation, and they are grouped into what? Into 3. So the first 3 are translation, reflection, and rotation. Then the last 3 are enlargement, shear, and stretch. But today we are going to look at translation. All right, so we are given 2 triangles here, triangle A, BC, and triangle A2, B2, and C2. So the question says describe the single transformation that maps triangle ABC onto triangle A2, B2, C2. Okay, so these 2 triangles, they are congruent, or they are the same. They are equal in every respect. So the first stage is to join your corresponding points. So we are going to join our corresponding points here, A and A2. These are our corresponding points. So we are going to join A and A what? And A2. Then we are joining C and C2. Then B and B2 also. C and C2. Then B and what? B and B2, right? So when joining these corresponding points, we are observing that there are parallel lines, B and B2, A and A2, C and C2. They are parallel lines which are equal in length. So these parallel lines, they are equal in length. So the transformation which maps triangle ABC onto triangle A2, B2, C2 is translation. So we're going to write translation. You are now describing translation. Then translation vector. You have translation vector, or TV, is equals to ending point minus what? Minus starting point. Okay, so in shortcut we're saying TV is equals to ending point minus starting point. So ABC was transformed onto what? Triangle A2, B2, C2. So our shape right here, ABC, is our what? Is our pre-image, which is the original shape. So this is our pre-image, and this is our second shape, which is what? Which is our image. So ABC was mapped onto A2, B2, C2 by what? By translation. So this is our ending point here. So you can take any of these points. For example, let's say we take A2 minus what? Minus A. So A2 is what? It's 1 and minus 1. Then minus A, which is our starting point, is what? Minus 3 and 3. So it's minus 3 and 3. So 1 minus 3, we get what? We get 4. Then minus 1 minus 3, we get minus what? Minus 4. So if you take B2 minus B, or C2 minus C, we still get the same translation vector. So in other words, translation is the movement of shapes and lines without changing direction. So that's for translation. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.